Welcome to SatGuide software live demonstration. This is a PND navigation system and the main screen of this device. Click on navigation to enter the SatGuide application. This is the main screen of the SatGuide application wherein you can put in the destination and get the directions from the device. Click on go to. Here are the four options to input your destination. One is POI, street, recent locations and favorites. If you want to select any POI, just click on POI. POI is nothing but point of interest. You can select POI from browse option. First we have to select the city we are looking for. Let's suppose Hyderabad. Just click on OK and select your Hyderabad. Click on OK. It will display all the categories of the point of interest. If you are looking for any hotel or ATM or a bank, you can just type in the category name, click on search, it will give you the keyboard and just type hotel, H-O-T, it will display hotel. Just click on OK. It will display all the hotels nearest your origin. Once the GPS signals is received, the device will pick up your actual position where you are at city. Where you are in your city. Then from that origin, the device will calculate the nearest hotels and give you on the screen. You can select your hotel from this list. Let's suppose you want to go to Blue Moon Hotel, Vyaspury Colony. Just select this one and click on OK. This is a Blue Moon Hotel. It's just a display for your confirmation and just click on go. Now the device is calculating the route from the origin. Origin here is Hyderabad International Airport Road and your destination is a Blue Moon Hotel in Vyaspury Colony. This blue colored highlighted is our route. You can zoom in to see the detailed route and zoom out to view summary of the route. If you just click on this, it will give you the turn by turn directions wherein you can have the look of all the turns. Just click on back, it will take you to the main map. If you click on this button, this is a menu button. It will take you to the main screen again. Here you will have an options to check the route summary. Here is the option to check the route summary. Just go to route. Driving directions is a button which will list all the directions in a single stretch and just click on back. This option will cancel the generated route and this route overview will give you the overview of the route which is generated. And this avoid roads, if you have any road in between the route to avoid, you can just click avoid road and select that road. And create detour is also almost equal to the avoid road. In the route generated, it will just detour the kilometers you want to. Let's suppose it to maybe 200 meters, 500 meters or 1 kilometer or 3 kilometer. You can just select that and the route will be detoured for 3 kilometers. And just click on this main menu button, it will take you to the main menu again. Now the other is options. In these options you will have night mode, 3D mode. In night mode the map will be and just click on main menu again, options. This is a 3D mode. You can view map in the 3D mode. And in the 3D mode the map is not move the map up and down. Just we can zoom in to some extent and zoom out to some extent, and we cannot move the map. And just click on main menu to go back to this main screen. The other one is just click on go to and there is an option called street. As the other option in the go to button is street. Herein we can input the destination as a street name. Select the city first, Hyderabad. Click on OK. Here the street names displayed. You can select it from scroll button or you can search it. Just So it's giving all the points in Srinagar colony. Let's suppose this is a point I'm looking for. It's a street I'm looking for. Just select this one and click on OK. And it will take us to the street midpoint.
Drive carefully.
So now the map is in 3D mode. You can convert it into 2D mode. Options, 2D. You can view it in 2D mode. The map can be moved in the 2D mode. So this is the generated route from Shamshabad to Srinagar colony. You can zoom out to have the detailed directions. And if you click on this button, it will display all the directions. This is a view in night mode. We can convert it into day mode. Just go back to the main menu, click on options and day mode. This is the day mode of the map view. And you can also input the destination through favorites. If you have any location saved in the favorites, we can also input this destination. Just click on map, go back. Let's suppose you want to put this point in favorites. Just click on this. It will give you option called save. Here you can this is an unnamed street. You can give the name. Let's suppose this is your friend's place. Just give your friend's name, Seema space home, and just click on OK. That point will be saved on Seema's home. Just go back to the main menu, click on options, click on go to, select favorites, again favorite, Seema home will be displayed here. Select that one and click on go.
Drive carefully.
Now the route has been generated to the favorite point which we have saved as Seema's home. Come back to the main menu. This is the main screen, as you all know. Now we can check the map version which is loaded on our system. Just go back to the options. You will have an option called select map. Here the map version will be displayed. The latest version of the map is 306608 December 2008. So as of now this is the latest map. So you can check the version of the map in this select map option.